Hello gamers, today we're going to play some Stormworks, and I'm thinking about building a ship. I just don't know what type of ship yet, so I'm going to just go ahead and start getting ready with the hull. Got some wedge pieces. Thinking about having it a semi-steep bow, but not sure yet. Pretty steep. Get rid of that. 2, 3. And bring down a little bit. Nope, not all the way up there. Down all the way to the bottom. Delete that piece. Then continue on with the 2x1 wedge pieces. Son of a bitch. There we go. Pretty. Let's put it up right there. I think that should be good. Then delete this piece. So, normal wedges. Go about right there. Yeah, that looks good. So rounder hole. Rounder bow. I'm gonna do it like that. That looks good. Okay. Move that piece. Place that with a wedge. Volume a little bit pretty low. Okay, that 4x1 pyramids. No, I forgot I got to do something real quick. Drag that out all the way. Get a pyramid. Normal pyramid. There. This. No, I forgot to turn on X symmetry, so then kind of helps out, so then I do have to go back and forth. There we go. Nope. That. One more higher with 4x1 pyramids. Grab 2x1 pyramids. That. That. Okay. That. Drag it out. Continue on. It's already pretty high. I think I'm just checking about right there, honestly. pretty high. Think I'm gonna remove these pieces. Then grab the 1x1 wedges. Put it right there. Turn it up. 1x2 wedges again. Drag it out. There, grab pyramid. Get out. Nope. Drag out. There. Drag it out. There. Out there, out there, out, put it right there. It's a kind of roundabout, it's kind of steep. It's pretty big. Delete those pieces, grab blocks, put that in, this, drag all down to back there. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and move this as far as forward as we can. And get the blocks back on. Not too skinny. Don't think that's too skinny. Drag out. About right there-ish. I think that's good length. Not too short. Not sure. I think it's too short. Drag that to about right here. Okay, I think that's good length, you know, for this ship. I think that's pretty good. And I got the 1x. Drag it all the way down. That right there. These, nope. These. Make it a kind of round hole, you know? Kind of make it look like a ship. I think I'm gonna put 6 engines for propulsion, 3 engines for generators, and then 6 and 8 batteries. I think, not sure though. Probably, that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's the whole like way too big. And the bow like way too big. There. Grab the eraser. Those pieces. Grab the 1x2 wedges. And continue with this. Oh, this is not a tutorial because I do not know how to build ships. I'm gonna save this real quick and load in a ship of mine. Just spam, load, oh, cancel, load. This is the only ship of mine that actually works that I built. Every other one either doesn't work. I'm gonna load this and it works, but it's like small. Like it pretty much sinks. It's really low. This, close that, turn the lights on. Why I do it like that voice, I'm really confused. Close this, turn on these lights, turn on that map. This is something I'm using from the workshop. I spotlight the HUDs. That I've made these 3 I'm using from the workshop. Turn on, open up throttles. This is the only boat of mine that kinda works, but it's pretty slow for a search and rescue boat. And sometimes small for a search and rescue boat, but it's definitely slow for boats. Got 1 diesel engine from propulsion, 2 medium-sized diesel engine from generators, and 2 these 2 top propellers are being used by, I don't know what they're called, but it's basically electric, pretty much. So if we run out of fuel, those will still run, but we'll go at a much more slower rate. And this is the new version of Stormworks, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off clutch, let it overheat. Once that will go up, now, and we have fire. I'm guessing it's such a need to have fire. As for, I'm not gonna do anything because what is this? Oh, that's an explosion. I think another engine is caught on fire. Something else is caught on fire. But it's gonna sink now, pretty much. As for, we won't die. We're gonna probably won't die from the fire anymore, but. And I am lagging badly right now. Losing the fire extinguisher. This door. And I am being killed by the fire. Great. Try to put it out with our. Try to put the fire out as I lag horribly. Oh, I am not getting the health taken fire. I'm very confused. Probably taking on water, won't be too surprised. Engines have died. Well, welding torch. I think this is too much to fix. I'm going to just and take it back, firm, and just load back in the hole we're currently making. That's the only boat of mine that works. And it's decent. It only goes like 10 knots, so which normal search and rescue boat normally goes like 20 knots, so yeah. It's not going to be like a one video type build. It's probably going to take a few videos, not going to lie. Probably going to work on it on my free time as well. Try to get it done. Don't know what type of boat I'm going to make it into though. Probably going to make it into a probably gonna make it into one of those boats that have the bridge and like on the front. The bridge and the superstructure on the front have a crane and stuff on the back, so it'll be able to like carry stuff. Basically a multi-use vessel, I guess. It's pretty big for a multi-use vessel. Grab these. I don't think it's terribly big. So it was right there, all the way back down. There, all the way back down. Tired. Woke up like an hour ago, so can't wake up. Over here, like stuff in the background, it's probably the TV because it's Sunday football. After this, I'm probably gonna record another video and hop in a VC with one of my friends. Yeah. Okay, got that part done. Let's go ahead and round this out instead of making it like this. Put that right there. Instead of making it flat like that, you know, and give it a little bit more roundness, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm horrible with words. That up there. I think for part of it, grab this, drag that. So that's going to be flat. Okay. And then I'm going to round that whole part out. So then it's kind of like, how can I describe it? It's basically, I do not know how to describe it. For that, I'm going to need to drag this out, middle, this out, there it is, like a line. I think that's too far out for stern. Yeah, I think that's good for the stern. I think that's too far. Yeah, because that's gonna like go up and stuff, you know. Move this backwards. That. This. Put about there-ish. Yeah, like that. Nope, not like that. Go back. This. This. I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. Basically, I'm doing something, but I have no fucking clue what I'm making. So I'm thinking we put a actual crane foot and then a rolling crane so it can go all the way back here and then drag something onto the deck, kind of like if there's a boat it needs to pick up, it can pick that up, you know. And then I'll have a crane on, well, I think it's gonna have two cranes, one on port and one on starboard. Okay. There. Okay. Wrong piece. Trying to use. X this out. X this out. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Got that done. It's kind of ugly, not gonna lie, but we can change that. And come on. Okay. Let's go ahead and cover it. Oh my god, I'm like rather badly. My computer hates it when I make big planes in this game. It straight up just hates it. I think when I had like bilge pumps, two cranes, rolling crane, 6 diesel engine for propulsion. Basically, like, I'm gonna have 3, go 1, okay, pipe. Okay, now I need a propeller, giant propeller. Got those in. Make sure they're actually connected. Okay, connected. And connected. Okay, so out of the 3 diesel engines, basically 2 engines per propeller, so should work, I'm guessing. I'm not sure though. Again, we can just use the other 3 engines if they don't work for like bow thrusters or something, you know. So I think that's going to be it for the build today. Let's go ahead and load her in, see how she looks like. And like spike. Okay, I'm gonna need to add some weight. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint it the color I want to paint it. I think I'm gonna paint that black, and then paint the bottom like dark red. Paint above like, don't know what color I'm gonna paint it actually. Probably a blue of some sort, like a light blue, kinda. I'm guessing maybe. Not 100% sure though. Okay, this all. Oh no. All the way around. What should I name this book, guys? I'm not sure, even though I got like no subscribers. No one currently watching my cringy ass videos yet. Well, I got like 26 subscribers on my old channel, but now I moved to this channel. I might post it on the other channel, not sure though. That, this, that. Get massive ass leg spikes. Fun. Joys of having a potato PC. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Should I paint him like that? Kinda looks like a Maersk ship now. I think I might paint it like this color. Nah. How about like a dark blue? Kinda like that. Or should I paint it like gray? Like dark gray? Like this color? I think I'm gonna do that. Wait. Oh god. Can we do that? Then here. Loader. See how she looks like with the paint. So I'm gonna be recording a video after this one, so with my homies. Well, my homie, because everyone else can't hop on at the moment. So yeah. Yeah, I think it looks good. I like the stern, I like the bow. It's tall. Oh shit. It's definitely buoyant. Imagine seeing that just going on a boat. Straight up just a massive ass bow. Straight up over you. So yeah, I think it's gonna be it for start of the build, guys. I think it's gonna be a fun build, so yeah. I will see you in the next video. I'm probably gonna go ahead and record, so yeah.